You're watching behind the scenes, and this moment at Jhalak Dikhla Ja's promo shoot couldn't get any better because for all you female fans, this definitely can't get better. The man with me, the most handsome man. अरे भाई style है, अदा है, तभी तो लोग इन पे फिदा है. Talking about none other than Vivian. Hello, how are you?
I am good, I'm good.
From where do you get these looks?
I think I have got it from my mother and my father. So ये carry forward हुआ एक generation से दूसरी generation में. So probably it's in my genes that I look like this.
Vivian, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, a new beginning. But before I ask you anything about Jhalak Dikhla Ja, I want to ask you, has RK moved on?
RK has moved on long back. I think it's been long when RK moved on and moved out. So there's something new happening, and yeah, of course you'll get to see the real me since it's a reality show, and you'll see me dancing, hopefully like a professional. So let's see, I'm working hard on it, and I'm trying to learn some dance moves and some dance forms which I've never even heard of. But yeah, I'm working hard, and I'll work hard till the time I last in this contest.
You want to share the story of how Jhalak Dikhla Ja happened to you?
Colors called me up and they said ki no matter what, let's do this because we always wanted you on Jhalak, but due to my shooting schedules I couldn't participate in it. But yeah, now since I'm relatively a little relaxed in life, so of course why not?
Now, taking on Jhalak Dikhla Ja, are you connected to music, dance? Did you ever think that you would be on a celeb dance reality show?
I am very connected to music, but I actually never thought that I'll be a part of a reality show because honestly, for I cannot imagine myself dancing because I fear dancing, and that's the only fear I have in life because I am not scared of water, I'm not scared of heights, I'm not scared of speed, nothing. But yeah, dancing, yes.
To be very honest, it didn't look like that. I was covering the making, I was seeing you throughout. The commitment, the involvement that you show into every shot or every single move, it just says something else.
I don't know, it's my dedication probably, which is why body हिल रही हो या नहीं हिल रही हो, पर expression नहीं जाते हैं. So yeah, that's what I try and keep up to it, and I work hard on it. And आज तो in fact we were doing a photo shoot for Jhalak, and I'm already injured. I had a big muscle pull, so because of that I couldn't cope up also for the next shot. So yeah, but still I gave it my best shot. Let's see, and let's my fans and my viewers decide.
Uh, it's a very important thing to connect with a choreographer in this show. How do you think? Any strategy, koi planning वगैरह या?
See, I believe in simple basics of life, and I'm a very simple man. I have never ever planned my career, and I will not plan anything in Jhalak also. Let's see, whatever comes our way, let's do it with our heart and soul, and give it our best shot, and most importantly, give our audience, a good amount of entertainment with our dance performances.
Brilliant. I love that attitude. And before we let you go, one last question. One shout out to the other celeb contestants that Vivian is here. Be aware.
No, no. I think I should be, to be very honest and precise, I should be aware of them because I am the one who dances the worst in all of them. So everyone's a good dancer, Even someone who calls himself a non-dancer is a good dancer in my eyes because I am below a non-dancer. So let's see, whatever happens, happens for the best.
Let's see. And all the best and welcome aboard on Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Thank you so much.
Thank you.